Hey guys, I'm opening up another box from Amazon, y'all. It is a urinal. We're gonna be using it at the Food Forest project in our outhouse. It's good for the environment. Very good for the food forest, y'all. We can use the urine as a fertilizer, and that even is a stir for another day. But I'm gonna open up this box in front of y'all and hope everything is there. I don't like sending nothing back, but I can send it back while I'm still in the USA, so that's why I'm doing it here. They put enough tape on it, that's for sure. Whew. Y'all, I'm fighting with this box for real. It's supposed to be a urinal with a hose where it can collect the urine to a container that you connect it to, or you could drain it outside directly into your garden. And say you get a pair of working gloves free, so I'm gonna scan this so they can send it to me. And it has what you need. Here's the hose, and here's the stand-up urinal, and then you just connect that hose and connect it to a bottle or something, like a gallon bottle or something, or whatever other collection bucket you want to make it. And there you go. It's really simple, and you can just hang it on the wall. We're gonna do it inside. It can be hung outside as well. It's plastic, so I'm happy, y'all. It came correct, and I am going to scan this in so I can get some working gloves. Talking about free. There ain't nothing free in this world to just come with it. They should have just stuck it in the box, y'all. But that's the way it go. You know? As they say, that's the way it goes. Seems like it'd be simpler just to put it in the box with it, but such is life.